everyone, welcome back to my channel and I hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video I have a mystery box here from Rossi Nails to show you guys what's inside this box. And this is a really pretty box with nice pink and hearts here. It says Glam Your Nails Secret Mystery Box by Rossi Nails, contains X1 random shade. So I've already checked what's inside because I just wanted to make sure that everything came in place and that there's no leakage of any bottles, so they're all fine. So this is the front of the box and this is the side of the box. Here they have their Instagram, Facebook, YouTube channel, and that's the back of the box. Here say Glam Your Nails Mystery Box. It's up to 3 weeks of salon quality nails. It's non-toxic, quick and easy, no UV LED lamp needed, and it's also available on Amazon, which is great. And that's the other side of the box, which are their instructions, so how to apply this. Just gonna open it and show you guys. So when you open the box, you see these 3 bottles and a little jar here. So that's what it came in the box, guys. The number 2 is base coat, number 3 is activator and top coat, and that's the little jar they have given for the dip powder. And this one is called Highlight. Really pretty glitter. So these are the mini size of the bottles. As you can see, these are just 7 ml, and I have a standard size. This is the standard size, which is 15 ml. But in this box they have given all that you need to create a dip powder nails. So everything is mentioned in the description box below, their website and my discount code, which you can use whenever you make a purchase from Rossi Nails and save some money on that. So let's begin with the swatching. So I'm just gonna open this for you. So when you open the jar, they have this seal protectant here. And look at this, such a gorgeous, pretty glitter. It's got some silver, green and pink, really pretty. So before I begin, I'm just gonna stir it. So this way the product is evenly distributed. So now I've got my base coat here and I've got my swatch stick ready. So just apply a first layer of base coat. And if you want to see how to apply dip powder on natural nails, please follow the arrow on the top right corner and it will take you to the video where I have shown how to prep your nail and how to apply dip powder on the natural nails. And I will also link the video about how to remove the dip powder from your natural nails, so do check that out as well. Tap off the excess and just clean off if there's any on the sides. Just make sure to clean the brush before you put in the jar, otherwise it will contaminate the whole bottle. So I'm just cleaning on my paper towel like that. Okay, now I'm gonna apply a second coat of base. And when it's dry, just brush off any excess. And then I'm gonna apply a third and last coat of base. And let it dry for a few seconds. So now I'm gonna apply an activator. So what activator does, it will cure all the layers of the dip powder. So just apply like that. So if you click the sound, that means the activator is all set and it's ready to shape and file the nail. As you can see, it has a little bumps here and there. You just have to file and buff the nail for the smooth surface. So my nail is now all filed and buffed and it looks really smooth. So I'm just gonna dust off any excess powder on the nail. So now I'm gonna apply another layer of activator. And now the final step is to apply Rossi Essentials top coat. So first apply a very thin coat. So what it does, it will shrink a little bit, and then when it's dry, then we can apply a second and final coat of the top coat. So that's the final nail, guys, and I really love the color of this glam powder highlight. It's such a pretty one, and you can do a lot of design with this. Like you can do a glitter ombre, or you can just wear on the accent nails. So that's all for the video, guys, and I hope you really enjoyed watching the unboxing and the swatching of Rossi Nails glam powder. Everything is mentioned in the description box below, so do check it out. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.